Hey guys, welcome to question FM080 of the Further Maths Sharpened Study Guide. So this question is basically getting us to describe and interpret box plots and their distributions, that kind of thing. So jumping straight in, we've got a quick sort of outline of what you guys will have on your downloaded sheet or in the book that you have. So the question says, the parallel box plots below compare the distribution of stress for 54 schools for the year levels Year 10, Year 11 and Year 12. So we've got a bunch of parallel box plots here just showing us. So at a quick look, we can see that the stress levels are highest in Year 12, second highest in Year 11, and lowest in Year 10. So question A asks us to describe the shape of the distribution of stress for Year 10s. So we're looking just at this box plot here. We're kind of disregarding Year 11 and Year 12 at the moment. We just need to describe the shape of Year 10. So as we can see here, this box plot looks fairly symmetrical. But we do have this little outlier up here. So our answer will be exactly that. We have a symmetric distribution with an outlier, or symmetrical distribution with an outlier. Cool, that's pretty much that question wrapped up. Let's have a look at question B. So B says, explain why stress for the schools is associated with the year level. Refer to specific statistical values in your answer. So with question B, now we can clearly see that stress for the schools is associated with the year level, and we can imagine why as we get towards, and there's also like reasonable sort of causation for that. So as we get further and further towards Year 12, stress levels go up, people are starting to worry about exams and that kind of thing. So it makes sense that it would go up year to year, and we can see it in the data here that we've got fairly low stress levels down here in Year 10, and then those stress levels are number one, they're higher and they're more tightly grouped up here towards Year 12. So when we're comparing, well, if we're explaining why the stress levels for the schools is associated with the year level, and it asks us to refer to specific statistical values in our answer, what we can do is describe them just relative to each other's medians. So if we say for the median value for stress increases year to year, so we can see that happening there, our middle line in our box there, we can see that the year is definitely associated, or the year level is definitely associated with higher stress levels. But we need to refer to specific statistical values in our answer. So a possible answer, and you have this written in the answer section of your booklet. So the median for Year 10s is, well, the median value for stress increases year to year, with the median for Year 10s being 38%. Being 38%. The median for Year 11s being 72% up here, and the median for Year 12s being 86%. So that's really what they're looking for. There's just a comparison of the medians. Another way of comparing statistics, you could talk about the interquartile range, but in this case it's very obvious median to median that there is an increasing trend going on here. So every year students are getting more stressed. So that's really what they're asking for there, guys, is just to compare each median, refer to the actual statistics themselves, and write up a quick report on that. Guys, if you have any questions about this question or this problem, please feel free to drop them in the comments below or message us directly on our Facebook page, Triumph Tutoring. Look forward to hearing from you guys.